Welcome to your new Python lesson. Today, we will explore operators. They allow you to work with values. Let's see how they perform calculations.
Let's learn Python arithmetic operators. Plus adds and minus subtracts values. Multiplication creates multiple groups, and division separates into equal parts.
Let's learn Python operators. We have variables a and b. Adding them gives 15. Now let's try subtraction. 10 minus 5 is 5. Let's learn Python operators. We multiply 10 by 5 to get 50. Now, let's look at division. Divided by 5 gives us 2. Great job mastering these basics. We can use variables and operators to solve problems. Here, price and quantity store our data. We multiply them and store the total. Then, print displays the final result. Today we will learn about floor division. Here is our code. 10 is divided into groups of 3. We get 3 groups and 1 remainder. Floor division only keeps the whole number. Let's learn about exponentiation in Python. We have variables a and b. The double asterisk raises to a power, so 2 times 2 is 4, and times 2 again is 8. There is our result. Let's learn about exponentiation in Python. We have variables a and b. The double asterisk raises to a power, so 2 times 2 is 4, and times 2 again is 8. There is our result. Let's recap Python arithmetic operators. Addition combines values and subtraction removes them. Multiplication creates groups. Practice using your own numbers. I hope you enjoyed this Python lesson. Programming is a journey best shared. Hit subscribe and let's learn together. See you next time.